Texas. Welcome to another episode of Barbi's Tiny Chefs, where we team up with our friends from the Coastal Bend Food Bank to introduce to you quick, healthy, easy to make meals. So let's get started and introduce to you our Tiny Chef superstars, starting with
Penny Sailor. My name is Libby Blanchett. I'm Marielle Klabonsky.
and we have our chef extraordinaire, Michelle B. Benya. Michelle B., what are we making today?
So today we are making super yummy breakfast energy bites.
All right, let's talk about ingredients. What do we have?
We have a lot of ingredients, but we have oats, we have chia seeds, any kind of nut butter you want to use. We used almond butter, we have honey, you can use maple syrup. We have vanilla, salt, and then all of the fun additional toppings.
Step one is
The base.
the base. So she's gonna put the base in, which is what?
So first she's putting in the chia seeds. You can also use flax seeds if you want. Next she's gonna put in the honey.
Yep.
Next we're gonna add our vanilla. So just a little bit, not too much. Then we're gonna add our oats. We used old fashioned.
Now for step two, which is
More toppings.
more toppings. So what toppings are you adding?
Well, we have cranberries. You can also use raisins. You don't have to add them, but it's always nice to have the fiber and the vitamins from dried fruit.
Down to the last step. Step three is
Time to mix it.
let's do it. All right, it's time to
Make the bites.
make the bites. Let's do it. All right, it's energy bite time. Let's see how our tiny chefs like it. Go ahead, take a taste. What do you think? What do you think? You like it?
I like
You like it? What's your favorite ingredient?
Chocolate chips.
Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Barbie's Tiny Chefs. Until we cook again. Bye.